Hey everyone, Suzanne Espinosa with Transformation. First of all, I want to thank everyone for your support. You know, this has been a very humbling experience, not just for Transformation, me personally. I've never been in a situation where I couldn't take care of others and then had to be taken care of. And at my house, I had those water pipes break actually and had to be taken care of. Your warm thoughts and wishes are so appreciated, and my team has been awesome. But I'm here to tell you that we are back, we are shipping, and we are taking calls. Internet, power, and water are all been restored. And again, we are able to take care of you. Now, to my friends, brothers, and sisters in Texas, if you need our help getting products to your patients, please let us know. We can drop ship those products for you. And if you need anything from Transformation that we can help with, I would love to repay that favor as I've been given to. So we're up, we're running, and thank you for all of your love and all of your concern and your prayers. We've all felt it here. And it's our turn to help you. Let us know if we can drop ship to your patients or if we can help you in any way. Thank you.